We want to welcome back now Oneida County Executive Anthony Picenti. He's joining us live via Skype tonight. Thank you so much for being here again.
Thanks, Christy. Thanks for allowing me the time.
Well, we know just a bit ago you shared the heartbreak of another coronavirus death in Oneida County, a total now of 20. That has got to be such a tough task to announce losses like that at your briefings.
It definitely is. Certainly when 20 people have lost their lives because of this pandemic, and with the hundreds that have been infected and had to deal with this, it's never easy, and our sympathies go to those individuals, those families and friends. Again, it's never easy in any death, but this has been hard each day or when we do have them to talk about it with the public and express and explain how severe this virus is.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about next door Madison County, that indoor farming complex, Green Empire Farms. According to the governor's office, now the site of the biggest coronavirus cluster upstate. Does Oneida County have its own tally of cases related to the greenhouse?
We do. I think we're around 84 cases that came as a result of that facility, and they are mainly seasonal workers that are temporarily located in Oneida County, but it certainly threw a spike to our numbers this past week because of the 84. I think 73 were all during this just over the last 4 days.
Wow, that's a lot, 84. Based on the governor's deadline, May 15th, next Friday, regions in New York State could start to partially reopen. Have you gotten any indication yet that you're going to get the green light a week from today for the governor to begin to phase in reopening?
Not official, and we keep waiting for that green light so that we can tell those businesses, but also keep our plans in order. We've been working tirelessly, putting toolkits together and various guidelines for our businesses, and working closely with the counties in my region, and certainly with County Executive McMahon in the central region. We believe that our numbers are such that reopening, at this first pause level is perfect in the sense of our numbers and where we are, and the thresholds and criteria that we've met regarding this and will meet. So I know everybody's anxious. I also share, and I know that the governor is right. We don't want to open too soon, but I think a phased-in approach is the way to go, and it'll really determine how we take the next phase. And I think that that's important here, that there has to be a starting point, and we've been down this road, and with our numbers as low as they are, I think we're in a good position to begin that starting point and measure it. And
any concern the new hotspot, the 84 new cases, might delay the phase-in, the reopening?
I don't see it doing that, Christy, because those cases, while that's a big number, it's really the criteria is really based. The severe aspect of the criteria is based on hospitalization and overall rates of health care. And so in that regard, our numbers have been reasonably low. And even with these 84, we have not yet seen, and obviously things change, but we have not yet seen hospitalization as a result of that spike. So that's the good news in regards to this. We have to just keep an eye on it and make sure that we continue to manage the cases through contact tracing.
Very quickly, because we only have just 30 seconds left. Mother's Day weekend coming up. Any advice, any guidance to folks as we celebrate our moms and also mitigate the risk to each other?
Well, I know it's going to be hard because this is another holiday we're going through. We're trying to tell people to stay separate. We want to make sure we get all our moms to the next Mother Days and the Mother's Day after that and such. So let's give Mom flowers and candy and a meal, but let's not get our family or get moms infected. So let's be safe.
I know for my husband's mom, we're going to do a parade for her, so the safe at a distance. We'll wave to her, make signs, and give her flowers. Anthony Pacenti, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it, and thanks for all you do for our communities to keep us informed and help keep us safe.
Thanks, Christy, and thanks to everybody there.
Well, for more on the coronavirus, including a county-by-county breakdown, head to localesquire.com or the News Channel 9 app. Click on the coronavirus banner. You'll find it right on the homepage.